Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you on how to create these beautiful loose wave curls. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So this is my natural hair. I do like to wear extensions. And so right now I'm going to be popping in my Bombay hair extensions. These are in the color dark brown. Now I did customize this color to match my hair. So I'm just going to put these on, and right here I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 7. And I'm going to be using this as a heat protectant. It also helps with shine. So I highly recommend this to anybody who suffers from any dryness or just wants a good heat protectant. I love all the Olaplex products. So the curling iron that I'm going to be using today is the Babyliss Pro, and this is the 1 1/4 curling iron. This is one of my favorites, and I use it on me and especially on my clients all the time. So I'm going to be sectioning off my hair, and I'm starting off the bottom. Now always remember, I always like my curls to go behind me going back. I don't ever really like my curls going up front. So if you are that type of person that you like your curls to go back, I always recommend with the clamp curling iron always to make sure that the clamp is facing away from you, because that is just like the easiest way to do it. So as you guys could see, all I'm doing is I'm going through it once, and that's just to get away any frizz. Now I'm leaving about 2 inches to an inch out, and this is something that I always like to do when I create these waves, but I always like to twist down, and this is just kind of creating like a spiral. And so when I release it, or when I run my fingers through, it always just creates a beautiful wave. Now when I'm done with each section, what I'm going to be doing is just placing it forward, and I'm going to be using this hairspray, and this is by Pureology. It's a soft finish, so it's not hard, and I'm just going to be gently spraying it, and this is just going to hold it. Now as you guys can see, I'm not messing up the curl. I'm just going to throw this back, and then I'm going to start off on the next section.
come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh, baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out sweet as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. Let me love you much. Baby, don't hope to forget me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach your
Okay, so this is the finished look. Now, all I like to do at the end is I always like to run my fingers through. I do not like very tight curls. I always like them to look very loose and very natural. So I always like to do this. Sometimes you could even use a brush, but sometimes I feel like the brush is a little too harsh, so it'll take away most of the curl or the wave. But I always like to just use my fingers.
You found me happy. You leave me happy. Every day I
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys can, please like and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. I have plenty more videos about hair, and also to follow me on Instagram. It will be linked down below in the description box. But I hope that you guys are all having a blessed day, and I hope that you guys love this hairstyle.